Children, read out with me animals' names. Bear, B E A R, bear. Very good. Our next animal is buffalo. Do you all know buffalo? Read out with me. B U F F A L O, buffalo. Very good. Good job. So our next animal is camel. The spelling of camel is C A M E L, camel. Very good. Wow, cat. C A T, cat. Good job. This is the cow. Spelling of cow is C O W, cow. Wow, deer. It's a deer. D E E R, deer. Very good. So our next animal is dog. D O G, dog. Very good. So our next animal is donkey, and the spelling of donkey is D O N K E Y, donkey. Very good. So next animal is elephant. The spelling of elephant is E L E P H A N T, elephant. Very good, children. Our next animal is fox. Spelling of fox is F O X, fox. Very good. This is the giraffe. You all know giraffe? The spelling of giraffe is G I R A F F E, giraffe. Very good, children. Come on, the next is goat. This is a goat. Spelling of goat is G O A T, goat. Very good. Next animal is gorilla, and the spelling of gorilla is G O R I L L A, gorilla. Very good, children. Horse. This is a horse. The spelling of horse is, read out with me children, H-O-R-S-E, horse. Very good. And this one is hyena. H-Y-E-N-A, hyena. Very good children. Now the animal is kangaroo. And the spelling of kangaroo is K-A-N-G-A-R-O-O, kangaroo. Very good. So children, our next animal is leopard. And the spelling of leopard is L-E-A-P-O-R-D, leopard. Very good children. Good job. This is the lion. And the spelling of lion is L-I-O-N, lion. Very good children. Excellent. This is monkey. And the spelling of monkey is M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey. Very good. The next one is ox. O-X, ox. Very good. And this is the pig. P-I-G, pig. Very good. This animal is puma. P-U-M-A, puma. Excellent. Very good children. This one is rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit. Very good. And this one is rat. R-A-T, rat. And this animal is reindeer. R-E-I-N-D-E-E-R, reindeer. Excellent children. Very good. And this animal is rhino. Do you all know rhino? And the spelling of rhino is R-H-I-N-O, rhino. Very good children. Excellent. This is sheep. Spelling of sheep is S-H-E-E-P, sheep. Good job. This is squirrel. Do you all know squirrel? S-Q-U-I-R-R-E-L, squirrel. Very good. This is the tiger. You all know tiger? T-I-G-E-R, tiger. Very good. Excellent. This is the wolf. And the spelling of wolf is W-O-L-F. Wolf. Good one. This is the yak. We all know yak. And the spelling of yak is Y-A-K. Yak. Very good. And this is the zebra. Z-E-B-R-A. Zebra. Very good, children. This was the names of animals.
One click on subscribe button can change others' life. Please subscribe.